your boy, it's your nigga, you know what I'm saying? It's your prince, you know what I'm saying? AKA Mrulik, AKA the real Ember Prince, AKA man, you already know who it is. You already know. Yeah. Man, you know what I'm saying? So you better chill. You better chill right now. Your prince is back, you know what I'm saying? We're back again with another reaction video. I haven't been posting for a while, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm sorry. I know y'all missed me. I missed you too like crazy. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we're back. We're back on the grind, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be reacting to MTM sketch comedy. You already know what it is, you know what I'm saying? We all know we love MTM sketch comedy, try not to laugh challenges, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be reacting to it, you know what I'm saying? They've been releasing videos like crazy these days, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. As your prince, you knew I had to get on this, you know what I'm saying? You knew I had to have a say on this shit right here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be reacting to Lou and Uncle. Uncle has Inhlokosela. Yeah. I'm already catching my vibes. Like I'm already catching what's gonna go down between Lulu and Uncle. But hey, if you're Zulu, or let's say if you're black or if you're South African, you already know what's gonna go down, you know what I'm saying? If you've ever had it, you already know what's gonna go down. But that is just my, you know what I'm saying, that is just my prediction, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, without wasting much more of your time, let's get into this freaking video. Let's go.
Ma, yazi ihlala mndelanga la libhlungu. Nginanda?
Hawu, unenhlokosela.
Inhlokosela. Yo. Ma, iqedwa ngani inhlokosela?
Uhlekisa ugwayi wengane.
As I told you, if we Lemzans and you're black, you already know the vibes. That's just it. It's just the way it is.
Ngihle itotolozi.
Itotolozi.
Ngizoyithatha mina ingane yomfana.
Hey gogo, uma umuntu bekufuna phethe lenkomo ishekela encane yokunani athi awukho.
Good. Wenze kahle kakhulu. Ukhathele nje lo mfazi.
Ayo, lenhlokosela. Angitazi isikhathi kanjani.
Ma, uneshow ukuthi lento yokurapha itotolozi la iyasebenza?
Hayi anginayo isho. Phela mina ikazi ngiphathe. Futhi ke mina ngiyageza emthandeni.
Ma, isekuhlangana phi manje ugeza ngoba phela la thiwa lento iphatha uma une stress noma ungalali kahle.
Awumeke. Phela wena ulala ngo9, uvuke ngo12 emini. Awunawo nje inkinga ungalali.
That's too much sleep, bro.
Uzobe stresseswa yini ke mthandeni?
Awucabanga mhlambe ma ukuthi ngilala kuze kushawa 12 isona stress mhlambe?
Hayibo, mthandeni. I-stress ijasilalisana. Awukwazi nje ukulala uphethe i-stress. I-stress mase kuphethe kuba ngathi khona inaliti ezikujojayo.
Gogo, hlebo walo unaso stress. Kodwa lezi ngithotayo akazizwa.
Ya, uqinisile mshana i-stress nginaso ukuthi nje angitshengisi ya.
Inkonzi fela ngaphakathi.
Unamafutha angifikelayo.
Manje mama ucabanga nje umuphi umfana omncane ongangisiza ngalento?
Nangu nje ulo.
Brother, come on.
So don't buy anything done. Dokotela amehlo. Yeah. Futhi ngicela ngabasiza la ekhaya old
Ngiyakufakazisa. God damn it. I'll smack the shit out of this little nigga. Hell no.
Yani fashion. Malum. Bye.
Hayi. Ngiyabuka la.
Oh, melo ngalento kuzoza. Man.
Uyabona ngithamela. Ingenxa yami.
Howdy, bro.
Hayi. So. Ngeke. Amane ngihlale nepopom leli.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd rather do that too. Man. I'd rather do that too. Hell no. Yeah, hell no. Olu is so disrespectful, man. Angalibele kubele sele like every day. Angalibele kubele sele go talk sis. Hell no. This nigga is petty as hell, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Going back to the video, you know what I'm saying? I must say, as y'all know, if you've watched my previous content, y'all know what's he. I love MTM sketch comedy, man. You know what I'm saying? They never disappoint their homies. They always make me laugh, and I'm sure they always make you laugh too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we all enjoyed them. It's been your boy with this lit reaction. You know what I'm saying? Catch you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you pause this video and now smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy. Because if you don't, man, you'll see. jokes, but hey, it's been your boy with this lit reaction, you know what I'm saying? Catch you on the next video. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned into this channel, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be late in the next few days, you know what I'm